Welcome to Red FM Bangalore, Pragati. How's it going?
Thank you so much. I'm doing great. What about you?
Very well. First of all, congratulations. I mean, we just heard from your manager that you're back from Cannes.
Oh, yes. Thank you so much. It was great.
Awesome. So we're gonna quickly start off with, by telling us how did music start for you? Like, how did this all happen?
Okay, so I was in Chandigarh before I moved to Mumbai actually. तो मैं वहाँ पे नॉर्मल ऐसे कॉलेज वगैरह ही जाती थी. And during the lockdown, actually, I had a lot of time. So my father realized that I am so much into music, so he got me some instruments, guitar, piano, and he got me a karaoke speaker. तो एक्चुअली वहाँ से सब शुरू हुआ था और वहीं से सब कुछ शुरू हुआ था और उसके बाद आई यूज्ड टू सिंग फॉर माय सिस्टर, माय लिटिल सिस्टर. और वो बहुत एंजॉय करती थी जब भी मैं गाती थी. तो एक्चुअली मेरे अराउंड ही जो लोग थे, मेरी फैमिली जो थी, उनको बहुत जल्दी ऐसे पता लग गया क्योंकि मुझे भी नहीं पता था कि मैं म्यूजिक में परस्यू करने वाली हूँ प्रोफेशनली आगे. सो माय डैड पुश्ड मी सो मच एंड दैट्स हाउ इट ऑल स्टार्टेड फॉर मी.
That's amazing. So you put in a lot of work. You've had sleepless nights. Um, I wanted to know, did you ever think that it would be difficult for you, or you always thought that yes, you would get this big break before Saregama?
एक्चुअली सारेगामा से पहले मेरा कुछ ऐसा कुछ खास प्लान नहीं था. आई यूज्ड टू परफॉर्म, आई यूज्ड टू डू लाइव गिग्स एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. आई यूज्ड टू मेक म्यूजिक विद माय फ्रेंड्स इन चंडीगढ़, बट देन आई डिड नॉट रियलाइज कि when I gave the audition, I did not even know that I have to move to Mumbai and my life will change all of a sudden. But after Saregama happened, a lot of things have changed for me. म्यूजिक का एक अलग पर्सपेक्टिव मेरे दिमाग में बन गया है. उससे पहले मैं प्रोफेशनली कब परस्यू करना है, कैसे प्लान है, क्या करना है मुझे आगे, मेरा कुछ नहीं था. आई वाज जस्ट गोइंग विद द फ्लो. बट आफ्टर सारेगामा, like I got the right path to walk on and I got the right people with me. So that's how it's going right now.
Wonderful. Now, I mean, the question that all our listeners have been wanting to know from you. You were at the Cannes festival. Now, tell us everything that has happened, from the food to the travel. How was the entire experience?
Cannes was beautiful. Cannes is a very beautiful city, and also at this time during the film festival, that city is very happening. And also, I traveled with the team and all of my co-artists. It was really really fun. And rahi performance ki baat, I think when we got on the stage, everyone, like people from different countries, were vibing on our songs, which is a really great thing because they were listening to our songs for the very first time. And seeing them vibing and enjoying our songs was a great thing. और रही खाने की बात, तो I tried authentic croissants and all of that. Then Indian खाने की बात अलग है, उससे वो कोई मैच नहीं कर सकता है. I miss दाल चावल so much.
Also, I mean, of course, you've made a lot of highlights on news. You've taken away the limelight from Shraddha Kapoor, literally. And tell us a little bit about that. She herself has commented on your pictures on Instagram.
No, I did not take the limelight away from her. It was just so it started from an IPL match where I got spotted on the TV and I did not even realize. Or when I came back home the next morning, when I wake up, I'm seeing all those tags and mentions, all those cute memes, National Crush of India, or ye to Chand ka mukhda tukda and all of that, which was really cute. But then after a few days, वो सब memes और वो सब tags वगैरह श्रद्धा तक भी पहुंच गए. And she also mentioned in her story कि ये तो मैं ही हूँ करके. She shared one of my pictures on her story and she said ये तो मैं ही हूँ, which was also really cute. But I really adore her. But yeah, people are also knowing Pragati Nagpal for useless Bhavra now.
Absolutely. A song that we keep playing on Red FM. Before we get to that, did you have anyone approach you in a unique or a weird way, in a useless Bhavra type? Did you have anyone approach you in that way ever?
नहीं यार, क्योंकि मैं अभी मेरा स्कूल थोड़े टाइम पहले खत्म हुआ है, तो इतने तो मुझे अभी किसी लड़के ने वियर्ड तरीके से नहीं करा. बट हाँ, स्कूल में मतलब I don't think it's a weird proposal or something, but yeah, it's cute. So one boy got me a chocolate and a rose on chocolate day, that Valentine's week. Yeah, and I remember that. It was cute. Nothing in a weird way.
Nice. Now, your song, your super hit song. Can you sing us a couple of lines live for us if you'd like to sing us a few lines?
माही अनमोल अनच मेरे कोल दिन है मिलन दा वजने दे ढोल दिल दी कलोल में जुड़ गए सोल ते ताशे वाशे करने दे रोल मन के चमन में खिली है कई कलियां के दिल के बगल वाली खिड़की पे उहू उहू करे उहू उहू करे उहू करे यूजलेस भवरा. Thank you so much.
Wow, what a voice! Like, can you tell me or tell us the entire experience shooting this song, singing it? How was it for you?
So it was my first ever music video that I did. It was my first time being in front of the camera. It was my launch song, which is also really close to my heart because we worked on this song for like months and months. And before this, Saregama groomed me for like 1 year, in which I was working on my body, my voice, Western vocals, classical vocals, and all of that. So we took almost 2 to 3 months to work on the song. And when I got the first scratch for Useless Bhavra, the lyrics were something else. And we changed like the whole vibe. We changed the lyrics and everything. We sat on it. We brainstormed on this song. And then we got our final song. So the experience was really beautiful actually. When we shot, our directors Piyush and Shazia, they really made the whole thing very comfortable for me because they knew that it was my first time doing a shoot professionally, like in front of the big camera, big setup, and all of those things. So it was a great experience. It was easy for me, but yeah, it was great.
After this song going completely viral, so many Instagram reels on this song, and it's just a super hit song that we love playing on the radio as well. What are some crazy DMs that you got from your fans after this super hit song went viral?
Um, I am not very much active on Instagram though, और मैं वैसे भी DMs तो नहीं check करती हूँ, but I've been seeing so much creativity on the lyrics and on the reels. Matlab, they're not just doing the hook step, they are creating content and funny memes around this song, which is really, really cute. So there was this small girl who is doing the hook step of the song, and she's doing it even much more better than me. Actually, her expressions are on point. That was the sweetest reel I saw on the song.
Wonderful. What is your current? There's a lot of independent musicians out there. What is your take on the current independent music scene right now?
Independent music, I think there are so many musicians who are going for independent YouTube channels, independent music nowadays actually. क्योंकि एक्चुअली हर किसी का पर्सपेक्टिव इस पे अलग होता है. कई लोग चाहते हैं कि उनको कोई लेबल सपोर्ट करे बिकॉज यू नीड बिजनेस माइंड with your creativity as well. So I think it's good to be independent. You have all things in your hand. You are, leading everything by yourself.
So,
Yeah,
correct. So, getting into your favorite artist right now at this point, do you have like a favorite artist, or do you want to collaborate with any of your any favorite? I mean, it's a difficult question because I'm sure you have a list of favorite artists. But if you had to just pick like maybe a top 3 favorite artists who you would like to collaborate with right now.
Okay, so I was saying that there are so many artists I would like to collaborate with, but for me, Diljit is on the top for now because he's a Punjabi and I'm a Punjabi, and I really love his content. So upbeat, so I mean, like nowadays music, how is it growing? And Diljit is taking it to another level. And I've seen him performing in Coachella, which was a great thing for a Punjabi and an Indian artist to go. So I think Diljit is for me.
Also, Diljit it is, and we're going to give you 3 words of our musical and touch. You'll have to sing any couple of lines. Okay, we're just going to give you very simple words. Your first word is Barish. Is the first word.
ये मौसम की बारिश, ये बारिश का पानी, ये पानी की बूंदे तुम्हें ही तो ढूंढे. Thank you.
Amazing. Your second word is प्यार.
प्यार हुआ इकरार हुआ है, प्यार से फिर क्यों डरता है दिल.
Nice. Your third word is तुम.
तुम क्या मिले, तुम क्या मिले, हम ना रहे हम, तुम क्या मिले. I'm loving this game.
What a voice. What do you do to have such a great voice? Like, you're born to be a singer, definitely, but Is there any particular rituals you follow to have this great voice?
Thank you so much. I actually do Riyaz like 1 hour a day. I think that's my mantra for having a good voice, just consistency, practicing, and all of that.
A quick rapid fire before we wrap up the interview. Your favorite go-to song in the shower when no one's watching you. Which one do you sing?
Actually, Tum Hi Ho, because in the shower I get the perfect reverb. So Tum Hi Ho is the song that really sounds good.
Okay, your go-to stress comfort food, the food that you go to when you're stressed out.
Prize.
And before wrapping up the interview here, right here at Red FM, what are your plans for this year? If you'd like to tell our listeners what's coming up, what are you working on with Saregama? What are your plans for this year?
Okay, so right now we are working on an EP which has almost 5 songs, and these songs are going to be around my personality, about my perspective of how I see love, of how I see my life choices, all of that. So yeah, right now it's an EP and it's going to be out very, very soon, and it's going to be very upbeat, and everyone is going to love it. That I'm very sure of.
A lot of youngsters, by the way, look up to you as a source of inspiration after the kind of work that you put out there, right? Any advice you'd like to give all the upcoming artists who also want to be a singer just like you?
I think just do what your heart says. Just write, just try to explore, try to experience new sides of yours. I mean, I have just started writing, and it has turned out really great for me because there's this creative mind that I have is actually working now. And I did not even realize that I can write songs or I can start composing new songs. But you cannot underestimate yourself, and you just need to do what your heart says. That is what music is all about.
हुक हो गया हूँ तेरे साउंड पे 93.5 रेड एफएम बजाते रहो।